Hello Xellux, make your work easier by auto adjust cells. That's this code on the screen. Download the data set anywhere you're watching it. Go to our YouTube page and download the data set. Let's dive in. Instead of actually adjusting your column like this, let's go to H. This is very boring. Impress your colleague, impress your boss to get the promotion. Go here, choose this sheet here, then right click, go to view code, then go to general, click on general and choose the worksheet. Now what you need to do, your cells, you need to automate your cells. So type your cells here, cells dot, what do? You need the entire sheet, that is the entire column actually, dot auto what? Auto fit. That is it. Let's go and try it. Cell, entire column and auto fit. So that's what you actually need. So let me come here. I'll just type client. I'll press tab key. Look at it. Product name. Yes. Product name. You see that? It's outside the cells. Tab key. Look at it. Auto fit. What should I do again? Let me say ID. Tab. Oh, beautiful. Then let's go to quantity. Order. That's it. So like, share, subscribe. That is Xellux Technologies. Will give you the best. Take our comprehensive course. We'll say light out, share, and make a comment. And that's what we actually do. Actually, let me say light out.